morning, everybody. It's November 18th, and in today's video, we're hunting whitetails. Mariah and I had a really tough weekend. I guess it had been the 11th and the 12th. We just didn't see much, and we hunted hard. And it was everything I could do to drag myself out of bed the next morning and make it down to my tree stand on time. But I'm really glad I did, because it ended up paying off in a pretty big way. So I hope you guys enjoy it and sit back, relax, and watch me film my deer tag. Anyways, have fun.
Nah. Oh man. Oh man.
Oh my gosh. That is definitely my best shotgun buck. I can see him right there on the hillside. I almost didn't go hunting this morning. Mariah and I hunted all day yesterday. I mean, we put 10 hours in on the stand. I mean, we went in the dark, and we came out in the dark. I skunked. I didn't see a damn thing. Mariah's seen a doe and a fawn. She's been trying to get it done with her bow, which you go, girl. That's amazing. We hunted hard yesterday, so we fell asleep pretty early. Like, I was done by 9. She was done by like 8:15. And I hate getting out of the tree before 11 o'clock. It's 9 right now. It's actually 9:08. I have not seen a shooter buck in here all year, but there's been does in here basically all year, and they haven't left. And I know that just slipping in and out of here undetected, getting in and out, and just hunting around these does, eventually it was gonna pay off. Oh, damn. I am tired, I am cold, I am hungry, I am excited. Bam! Grandpa's shotgun. Boom, shotgun. This is a fixed 4-power scope, so it keeps me from overreaching, but I just shot him at 20 yards. Damn! I can see him laying on the hillside right there. He only ran 25 yards. I smoked him. Man, it was 20-yard shot. This spike bedded down. I mean, not 30 yards from me. He kind of came through this morning from the same way that other big buck came in. And I hope the footage is okay. I got pretty shaky. I got so excited. Oh my God. And this is only my third sit in this stand. And I mean, I just thumped him. I was watching that spike, and I thought I heard a grunt. And I looked at that spike because he snort wheezed earlier, and he was all bristled up, kind of doing his thing. And I heard a grunt, and I was like, was that him? And I kind of looked, and he was looking off to my left, kind of back where he'd come from. And I glanced over, and moving through the timber, I could see a big-bodied deer. All of a sudden, he was there at 45 yards, and he started just kind of ripping trees up and this, that, and the other, and scraping along and everything. And oh man, that's why I do it. My heart. I've been hunting since I was, 11, and I am so fired up right now. Oh my god. Oh man, that's definitely one of my better deer, and it's absolutely my best deer with my shotgun. I couldn't hardly believe it. I seen him, and I was like, oh man, is he a shooter? I kind of gently picked my shotgun up and looked, and I was like, oh man, that looks like a pretty nice buck. I'm pretty sure he's 5 on his left side, and he might only be 4 on his right, but man, I smoked him. I shot, and he picked that front shoulder up right away, and he tried to run uphill, and he just, no dice. So anyways, that was freaking awesome. Let's get our life back together here and go get him. Alright, I just got out of the tree. Gotta find my shotgun shell. Where's it at? There it is. Right there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Pick that boy up. Oh, yes, 12 gauge, 2 3/4 inch rifled slug. Like 70-yard max, but anything inside of that, and I'm like, oh, it's game over. And when I shot it earlier this year, I was shooting it at about 60 yards and had a group about like that, and I was like, oh, that'll work. I love shotgun hunting, and I love bow hunting, and this year I took a doe with my bow, so I didn't skunk during archery season because I couldn't get it done with the elk. And I've passed on some really nice bucks this year. A couple of shots of these guys. Passed pretty nice 4-point right at the beginning of the pre-rut. And then I passed 2 other nice 4-points. And we're in peak rut right now. And caught one cruising this morning. Let's go have a look. I'm gonna get this deer cleaned out and enjoy the rest of my morning and get a little bit of work done this afternoon and get ready to take Mariah out and get her tags filled starting day after tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you, Mr. Buck. So if you guys still got a tag burning a hole in your pocket, you got time. Thanks a bunch for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing some of your guys' hunts and successes and deer that you passed on and deer that you didn't. Alright, go fill your tags.
Meh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, that's my best shotgun buck for sure.